thinking about theories about culture. As we said, culture is something that is very difficult to define. In general, it refers to infinite things related to a group of people. It can be traditions, religions, beliefs, behaviors, food, all of these different aspects of a culture that are shared by a group of people. So we're going to think about two areas of study and the definitions or concepts of culture that they have described. The first is structuralist and the second is interpretive. So before we start, let's think about what they agree on. The first thing that they agree on is that culture is generally shared. Often people talk about an individual culture, which can be said to be true. But in general, when we talk about the concept of culture, we're talking about a group of people and what those group of people share. So culture is also related to language. One cannot really exist without the other. So culture and language are closely related in both of these different areas. They also agree on the fact that culture is learned. Culture is something that is passed on from one generation to another or between people, between members of the same culture. And finally, that culture is very complex and difficult to define. Often people say that culture is a whole that is greater than the sum of its parts. It's very complex and it involves an infinite number of things.